Have you ever noticed that the same diesel engine can have completely different oil recommendations depending on the country? For instance, a diesel truck in the US might call for 0W-30 or 5W-40, but the same model in Europe or Asia might use 10W-40 or 15W-40. It seems like a small detail, but it can actually affect engine life, performance, and cost you big on repairs over time. Some people say it's all about fuel economy rules. Others blame climate, oil chemistry, or engine design. The truth? It's a mix of engineering choices, emissions rules, and corporate strategy. By the end of this, you'll know why diesel engines use different oils in different countries and which one is safest for your engine. Let's look at an example. Take the Ford Powerstroke 6.7-liter diesel. In the US, the manual recommends 0W-30 full synthetic diesel oil. But in places like Australia or Europe, the same engine might call for 10W-40. Same engine block, same turbo, same pistons. So why the difference? It's not just weather. If climate were the only factor, Florida and Finland would need completely different oils, but they don't. The real reason has more to do with emissions laws, fuel economy testing, and corporate paperwork, not just engine wear. Another example, Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel. US spec 5W-40, European spec 15W-40. Same turbo, same bearings, same fuel system. The oil isn't chosen only for engine protection. It's also influenced by testing requirements and regulations. So while the oil grade may seem like a minor detail, it can make a big difference for diesel engines. Choosing the right viscosity for your climate, load, and mileage is critical to keeping your turbo, pistons, and bearings healthy. Now let's get real about why US diesel engines often use thinner oils like 0W-30 or 5W-40. Most diesel owners don't realize this, but manufacturers are under serious pressure to meet fuel economy and emissions rules. In the US, automakers must hit strict corporate average fuel economy (CAFE) targets for their fleets. Miss the mark, and fines can reach millions of dollars. So how do they squeeze out every bit of efficiency? One simple way is reducing engine friction. Thinner oils flow more easily, which helps engines run smoother and show better miles per gallon during EPA tests. For example, switching from 10W-40 to 5W-40 can improve measured fuel economy by about 0.5 to 1 miles per gallon. That may not sound like much, but across thousands of vehicles, it adds up and keeps the manufacturer out of trouble. Here's the catch. Thinner oil provides less protection under extreme heat or heavy load. In a diesel engine, that means pistons, turbochargers, and bearings may experience more wear over time compared to a thicker oil like 10W-40 or 15W-40. That's why diesel engines sold in Europe, Australia, or Asia often use thicker oils. They prioritize long-term durability over fuel economy numbers. A retired engineer from a major diesel manufacturer once said, "Oil choice isn't always about engineering. Sometimes it's just about meeting regulations and paperwork." In other words, US manuals often list 0W-30 or 5W-40 because of fuel economy rules, not because the engine can't handle thicker oil. So if you live in a hot state, tow heavy loads, or drive your diesel hard, a slightly thicker oil might protect your engine far better than what's in the US manual, even if it's perfectly legal to stick with the thinner oil. Now let's break down what those diesel oil grades really mean. When you see something like 0W-30, 5W-40, or 10W-40, it tells you two things: how the oil flows when cold and how thick it stays when hot. The first number with a W, which stands for winter, shows how easily the oil flows at cold temperatures. For example, 0W-30 flows very quickly in freezing weather, helping your diesel start smoothly on cold mornings. 5W-40 is a bit thicker when cold, but still good for startup. The second number tells you the oil's viscosity at normal engine temperature. For instance, 30-weight oils like 0W-30 stay thinner under heat, while 40-weight oils like 5W-40 or 10W-40 stay thicker. Thicker oils create a stronger film between moving parts, which is especially important in diesel engines because of the high pressures, heavy loads, and turbo heat. Here's the key. Thin oils like 0W-30 prioritize fuel economy and easy startups, while thicker oils like 10W-40 focus on long-term protection and durability. Diesel engines in hot climates, those that tow or haul, or engines with higher mileage benefit from the thicker oils because they resist wear and maintain film strength under extreme conditions. Modern diesel engines, especially turbocharged ones, have very tight clearances in their pistons, bearings, and valve trains. This allows them to work efficiently with thinner oils. But as the engine ages, these tiny gaps grow. That's why a 10-year-old diesel that ran perfectly on 0W-30 when new may actually last longer on 5W-40 or 10W-40. Experienced diesel mechanics often recommend bumping up the oil grade after 60,000 to 100,000 miles, especially if you live in hot regions or tow frequently. It's not breaking rules, it's adapting your oil to real-world engine conditions. So understanding viscosity isn't just theory, it directly impacts how long your diesel engine lasts, how clean it stays, and how well your turbo and bearings hold up under stress. Let's talk about heat, the real enemy for diesel engines. Many people assume thin oils like 0W-30 are only for cold weather. But in the US, summers can push oil temperatures above 240 degrees Fahrenheit, 115 degrees Celsius, especially in stop-and-go traffic or while towing. At these temperatures, thin oils can lose some of their protective strength, while thicker oils like 5W-40 or 10W-40 stay stable and protect pistons, bearings, and turbochargers better. Real-world tests show this clearly. For example, two identical diesel trucks were run under heavy conditions, one using 0W-30, the other 5W-40. After thousands of miles, the 0W-30 engine had slightly better fuel economy, maybe 0.5 to 1 miles per gallon, but the 5W-40 engine showed significantly less wear in the pistons, bearings, and turbo components. Essentially, the thin oil saved a few dollars on fuel, but could cost hundreds in engine wear over time. This isn't just theory. Mechanics in independent labs like Blackstone Laboratories have confirmed that diesel engines running thin oil in hot conditions can experience faster oil breakdown, increased wear metals, and higher turbo bearing stress. Meanwhile, a quality 5W-40 or 10W-40 synthetic diesel oil holds its viscosity, keeps the engine clean, and resists breakdown, even under heavy loads or high temperatures. Here's another important point. Diesel engines aren't all built the same. Some modern diesels with tight clearances can handle thin oils like 0W-30 safely, but older engines or high-mileage engines benefit more from slightly thicker oils. That's why many diesel experts recommend switching to 5W-40 or 10W-40 after 60,000 to 80,000 miles, especially in hot climates or for trucks that tow or haul. The takeaway? Thin oil for fuel economy, thick oil for durability. Your diesel engine might run fine on 0W-30, but if you want long-term protection, reduce wear, and keep your turbo and bearings healthy, a thicker synthetic diesel oil often makes more sense. Now let's tackle the big question. Can you safely switch from 0W-30 to 5W-40 or 10W-40 in your diesel without risking your warranty? Here's the truth. US law protects you. Under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, a manufacturer can't deny warranty coverage unless they can prove that your choice of oil caused the failure. That means if you use a high-quality diesel-approved 5W-40 or 10W-40 synthetic, your engine's warranty remains intact as long as the oil meets the proper specifications. In fact, some service bulletins even say that if 0W-30 isn't available, you can use a compatible 5W-40 or 10W-40. That's the legal and practical loophole many mechanics use to protect engines while staying within manufacturer guidelines. Here's what experienced diesel mechanics actually do. Most personally run thicker oils like 5W-40 or 10W-40 in their own trucks, especially in hot states or on high-mileage engines. Why? Because the long-term wear protection far outweighs the small fuel economy gains of thin oil. Switching to a slightly thicker oil in older diesel engines or trucks that tow frequently is not just safe, it's smart. It maintains oil film strength, reduces piston and bearing wear, and keeps the turbocharger running reliably. The key takeaway: don't blindly follow the manual if your driving conditions are tough or your engine has seen high mileage. Think like a diesel engineer. Match the oil to your real-world driving, climate, and load, not just the lab tests. Now here's something most diesel owners don't realize. The oil's additives can matter more than the thickness. Two oils with the same grade, like 5W-40, can perform very differently depending on their formulation. Diesel engines deal with soot, high heat, and heavy loads, so oils need strong detergent packages to keep pistons and turbochargers clean. They also rely on ZDDP, zinc and phosphorus, or other anti-wear additives to protect bearings, pistons, and camshafts under pressure. Not all 5W40 or 10W40 oils are equal. A premium full synthetic diesel oil, like an ester-based or PAO blend, can outperform a cheap conventional oil in every category. It maintains film strength, fights sludge, and keeps turbo bearings healthy. In contrast, a low-quality oil of the same viscosity might shear down faster, allowing metal-to-metal contact and faster wear. This is why top diesel mechanics and specialists always emphasize oil quality over just numbers. It's not enough to pick a thicker oil. You need one with strong high-temperature stability, anti-wear additives, and excellent soot handling properties. So when you're choosing diesel oil, don't just look at 5W40 or 10W40. Check the specifications, make sure it's approved for diesel engines, and look for premium, full synthetic options. This ensures your engine stays protected, your turbo lasts longer, and your bearings and pistons stay in top shape, even under tough driving conditions. Many diesel owners misunderstand what those oil numbers really mean. For example, seeing 0W on an oil makes people think it's only for winter, and 5W or 10W means summer. That's only partially true. The W rating mainly tells you how the oil flows when cold, not how it performs when hot. For instance, 0W-30 and 5W-30 both behave like a 30-weight oil once the engine is at operating temperature. The difference is mostly in cold starts. In most U.S. states, unless you live in Alaska or northern Minnesota, the benefit of 0W is minimal for diesel engines. High-temperature performance is far more important for diesel engines, especially turbo diesels or trucks that tow. On hot days in Arizona, Texas, or Florida, your engine oil can exceed 240 degrees Fahrenheit, 115 degrees Celsius. That's where thicker oils like 5W40 or 10W40 shine. They maintain a strong protective film on pistons, bearings, and turbo components, reducing wear and keeping your diesel running longer. In short, don't choose diesel oil just for winter or fuel economy numbers. Focus on real-world temperatures, load, and driving style. Thicker, high-quality diesel oil provides better long-term protection under stress, even if it sacrifices a tiny bit of fuel efficiency. Here's something most diesel owners don't hear. When mechanics work on their own trucks or diesels, they often don't use the same oil listed in the manual. We spoke with independent diesel technicians and dealership veterans. Almost all admitted that in hot climates or for high-mileage engines, they personally run 5W40 or 10W40 instead of 0W30. Why? Because it lasts longer, protects turbos and bearings better, and reduces wear, especially under heavy load or long-distance driving. One master diesel tech said, "We use the oil in the manual for customers because that's what's on the invoice. But in my own truck, 5W40 all the way. It just holds up better." Another added, "The fuel economy difference is tiny, but the long-term engine protection is huge." This tells us a lot. Diesel mechanics understand that the manual is written for compliance, not necessarily maximum engine life. Real-world conditions, heat, towing, heavy loads, or engine age, often demand a thicker, high-quality oil. So when you choose diesel oil, think like a mechanic. Match the oil to your engine's condition, climate, and workload, not just what's printed on the sticker. That's how you truly protect your diesel engine. And remember, a high-quality synthetic diesel oil with strong additives often matters more than the exact viscosity. Look for oils designed for modern turbo diesels with heavy-duty anti-wear protection and excellent high-temperature stability. That's what keeps your engine running strong for hundreds of thousands of miles. In short, the manual is a starting point, but real-world diesel engine protection comes from choosing the right oil for your conditions and using high-quality synthetic products. It may cost a little more upfront, but it can save thousands in repairs down the road. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss tips to keep your diesel engine running strong. Share this with your fellow diesel drivers. Your engine will thank you.